In this video I'm going to explain how you can change the tips of your Apple Pencil. Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf, a Dutch illustrator and animator, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you can change the tip of your Apple Pencil second generation. Because with the Apple Pencil first generation you had a spare tip inside the box, and you could find it here. And you can use this tip as well because it works on both Apple Pencils, so on the first generation and the second generation. But if you don't have an Apple Pencil 1 and don't have a spare nib, now Apple has a box of 4 tips, and I'm just going to open it. It comes with 4 Apple Pencil tips, and you can just open it and change the tip of your Apple Pencil. And this also works on Apple Pencil first generation. So you have to screw it off and then screw the new tip on, and really screw it on tightly, because otherwise your Apple Pencil won't work. And I made several videos about, the Apple Pencil not working, and most of the times the tip of the Apple Pencil is not screwed on right, or you're using a wrong Apple Pencil with a different iPad, and that they're not compatible. So you can buy this set for $25, I think, in the Apple Store, but you can also find a link on Amazon and then order it there. Because I used Paperlike, and when you use Paperlike, the tips will wear down a lot faster. So I needed to buy some new Apple Pencil tips, to be able to draw and don't have scratches on your iPad, because when the tip wears down it becomes a bit scratchy, and it doesn't, isn't a nice feeling to draw with a tip that is worn down, because then you get a scratchy feeling. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!